Alright, what are we calling it? The Savannah and Cody Cooking Show?
Yeah.
Alright, welcome to the Savannah and Cody Cooking Show. We are going to try today the chicken and chorizo pasta one pot bake from Dave Fell Fitness. Now, I literally haven't done this before. You haven't done this before?
Nope.
We've literally grabbed everything, thrown it all out. We've got majority of the ingredients and we are going to do our best at having a go. Beauty about the stuff from Dave Fell, he cooks everything in these glass dishes, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we're going to literally just try to recreate it. We're going to make 4 of them. It's a little bit spicy, this one, so we're going to make one that's spice friendly because we don't like all the spices, do we?
Nope.
Okay. First ingredient is you're going to take 50 grams of pasta in our dish. I've got our magic scales here because we want to keep it calorie controlled for our macros. It's supposed to be a nice, cheap, easy dish, this one, and cheap and calorie controlled. So there's our 50 grams of that one, and then I make it once more. Boom, boom, boom. Perfect. And then what we're going to do is we're going to grab our chicken. Can my lovely assistant grab a spoon out of the cupboard?
Spoon, a tiny one or a big one?
A big one, please. Look, I can't even get into the chicken. So, ooh, bang. Now we're going a little bit above the chicken he recommends. He talks about 100 grams of chicken in each. We're going to add a little bit more because I think we've got 500 grams of chicken there. So we're going to go and dish that out. We've just got pre-diced chicken to mean we have to cut less. Hey, sweetheart?
Yeah. That's a lot of chicken.
That is a lot of chicken. A bit too much chicken in that one. Might need to check some of the dicing skills on this chicken.
Now you're going to have to wash your hands.
I know.
But
After. They're going to be around that 125, 130 grams. Yeah. Would have been good for our cooking show if I had pre-checked the chicken, wouldn't it?
Yeah, true.
We're not that organised, are we?
But at least we're onto it.
That's true.
At least we're good at doing it on the spot.
On the spot, that's it.
Yeah.
That won't work because then, can I get a little spoon, please?
With a spoon.
Okay. Now, which one's going to be yours?
Mine's gonna be.
You pick one because we're not going to put chilli in it.
Okay, mine's just gonna be this one.
Okay, alright. So can you put a little spoonful of that in there?
Yeah. Like that.
A little bit more. There you go. Good. Can you do the same for all the other bowls? And we'll make sure we keep your one separate. We're just adding some chopped garlic and some chopped chilli. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of, Dave says some chicken seasoning and paprika. We were that prepared, we don't have any paprika, but we've got Vegeta Real Gourmet Stock and Seasoning. So I'm going to add a little bit of that to each one. It's like a chicken seasoning.
There's chicken salt in it.
Yeah, and I'm eyeballing it, so hopefully I don't add too much, eh?
I love chicken salt.
Alright, you've done that?
Yep.
Okay. Garlic in it. Okay, do you want to do the chili as well?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Do the chili in only 3 of them.
Okay.
Otherwise, you're going to be having spicy stuff as well. So there's a bit of salt and pepper. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to more. I know there's in the Vegeta there's probably a little bit of it anyway, so I'm not adding a lot. Alright, I need to get the mixed veg out of the freezer. Done?
Only in 3 of them.
Only in 3 of them, good girl. Lid goes back on that. Wipe that chili up with the towel and put that in the sink. We don't need that anymore. Okay, now this one, it says a serve of mixed veg, which is roughly about 80 grams. And correct, this one says on the back here 75 grams. So we might take one of our clean ones. This might be a bit easier for us. I'm going to pour, you're going to dip it in, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm looking for 75 to 80 grams. A little bit more. Good, 83 grams, perfect. Can you put that in one of the things?
My bowl.
Good. Okay. Yep. Next one. Alright, that one.
Carrots. And done.
Put that one in the sink.
sink.
Alright, so we've got these tins of tomatoes. 400 grams of tins of tomatoes. Oh, you don't like tomatoes, but this is different type of tomatoes, isn't it? Hold that one up so the camera can see it. We're talking about 200 grams here. I think another spoon, sorry. Okay, that's one. Sit that there for a sec. We're looking for 200. And your one. Okay, good. And it says 50 mils of water. So, what we want to do...
It's clean.
Okay, so 50 mils is about 50 grams. That's okay. Now, we've also preheated the oven a bit before, so it's been going in the background on 190. So that we can whack these in, and it should be about half an hour, and then we've got dinner for the family tonight, and should be one meal left over for tomorrow.
There should be enough.
Should be enough. And we're going to give it a bit of a stir. Do you reckon you can do that? Making sure that you keep all the ingredients on the inside.
Yeah.
And just stir it all around. And I'm going to grab cheese. Well, mate, we'll do that cheese for yours. But for Mum, Mum's dairy free, isn't she?
Yeah.
So we've got... Alright, you keep stirring.
Is this good?
Yep, good. On to the next.
Oh, that's tomato.
That's a tomato.
Frozen vegetables are the hardest bits for me.
Yeah, they are. We're going to add 20 grams of cheese. Now make sure you obviously measure this out, because this is where your calories can go over on a lot of this stuff. It's not 40 grams, we're going to add 20. 20 grams is plenty. Perfect, 20. Oh, we've got the family watching. Oh, Freddie's hopping at our efforts. Over here.
I can barely see the vegeta anymore.
Yep, that's the idea, that we mix it in.
Okay, is this good?
Yep, good.
Next one. Okay, this is good.
Good. Okay, we're just waiting on the cheese. Okay.
Into the sink it goes.
Alright, so now we're going to whack those in the oven. It's preheated, as I said before, for about half an hour. And then we're going to see. Oh, we thought we were ready to put it in the oven, but what did we forget?
Jalapeños.
And chorizos. Shows we haven't practiced this before. Okay, we need a chopping
That's
board.
your evidence.
You got a chopping board?
Chopping board. Chopping board.
And we've got to always be careful around sharp knives, don't we?
Yep.
Okay, so I just bought 2 chorizos. I'm going to put half a chorizo on each one. And that looks like half. Alright, now.
And each one.
Yeah. Now we're going to just dice it, slice it, chop it. So do you want to put that one in yours?
Yes. Yeah, because it has the thicker cheese.
Yep. And the other one's the dairy-free cheese.
Yeah.
Little fact, this is your second cooking show you've been on, isn't it?
Yes.
You were on a cooking show when we went to Adelaide for the food festival.
Yes.
Cool. And do you remember what you cooked there?
We cooked chicken tacos.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, and we got to serve them up to everybody in the crowd.
Yeah, it was with a famous chef from...
MasterChef.
Yeah.
There we go.
In the others.
Because I don't want jalapenos. Because I'm a fussy eater. But I'll eat this. If I cook stuff, I will eat it. I only eat stuff that I make. I don't eat full stuff that other people make in this house.
That sounds like a recipe that you can keep cooking.
Stir to each of them.
Quick little half a stir. Now we're going to put them in the oven.
I will be back. I'm back.
They've been in the oven for half an hour, haven't they?
Yeah.
Yep, and we turn it off and then they've just sat for a little minute while we got ourselves ready. So let's pull them out. Hot. So this one's your one. How's that look?
That looks good.
Good. That's beautiful. Looking at it, a little bit of an aerial shot in a second, but that's our chicken chorizo one pot cook
Yeah.
from Dave Fell Fitness.
Yes.
High five.